seeking the blessings of the Almighty. To evoke the blessings of Allah, we begin with the Fatiha recitation. I invite Adil Rahman, Hazim Muhammad, Nahian Muhammad. Please come forward.
Assalamu alaikum. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Amin. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you and Jazakumullah khairan for that soulful recitation.